Alright guys, this is Bank Nifty and 5-minute chart, and let me explain where our entry point was. So here you can see this is a session high, and that was last session low, and but from here to this level, that was a seller territory. So once price opened here and price broke this seller territory, alright, it broke this seller territory. So once they break this seller territory, we are looking for short. We are looking for buy. So in our premium group, here you can see I explain everything. This is our trading setup. So first, before market open, I given this trading setup, and finally, what I told that we was looking for the power. Where is the power activated? So everybody knows who are our students. So back last around 10:05, I told the Bank Nifty take over the seller territory. So looking for buy after a pullback. So here you can see. So when I given 10:05, so let me explain. Let me show you here 10:05. Okay, here I can see this area. So let me draw a vertical line. Okay, that was 10:05. So when price are forming, I told that price broke this seller territory. So means we are looking for buy only. So here you can see, let me show you in a 1-minute chart. Let me zoom a little bit here. Okay, perfect. So here I update in our WhatsApp premium group, and I told that we are looking for buy only. So our buy point was this level. So we are using rubber band man. Our buy level was somewhere here and somewhere here. We bought 3 times. Okay, so another buy level was somewhere here in this candle. All right, so our target was 1:4. All right, so 1 rupees SL and 4 rupees target. That is our trading strategy. So I think everybody knows. Let me explain here. So now I can see I use some indicator. Just a minute. Okay, this is 1 minute. So I think here was our entry point 1:4. 1:4. So my SL is 10. And target is 40. So okay, my target was at that time, so 39 point something like that, and another my entry point was here, somewhere here, 10 rupees SL and 40 rupees target. Okay, 40 rupees target, and another my entry point was okay, just a minute, 940, 950, 10. Okay, 10:05 at that time I told 10:05. So after that was my entry point, 10 somewhere here, and 40 rupees my target. So okay, there was 3 trade. All right, there are 3 trade. One trade hit my SL. Just let me show you. Okay, this trade hit my SL. Okay, so first trade we place here, and it's 1:4. It hit my target. Next trade almost near about 1:4. This is my rule. Until they hit my target, I never close my position. Either it will hit my target or it will hit my SL. So later here you can see hit my SL, and the next trade I place somewhere here and not able to hit my SL and hit my target. So that means I collect 8 rupees. 4 plus 4, that is 8 rupees, and my SL is 1 rupee. So 7 rupees is net profit. So you just count. So every trade I place 900 quantity. Today I place 900 quantity. All right. So you just count yourself. Okay. So let me explain for tomorrow. Okay. just a minute. Okay, it's Nifty. All right, let's go to 5-minute chart. Okay, now tomorrow here you can see. Let me find out first this our trading session. Where is our trading session? So here you can see this is the higher point and this is the lower point. Today's all right. So let me show you here. Okay, so now you can see this is trading session, and in that case we must find out some demand zone. All right, what is the demand zone and what is the breakout of structure? So as we discussed in our premium course, when prices are running in a sideways, so that means the big boys are building the order. Remember, that is the most important thing. From here, price push up and now sideways. All right, who people bought, still they are ready to take position here. Whatever price you are offering, they are taking here. So means still they are holding their position. Okay, so once they break this session, so we are looking for buy only. Okay, once price pull back, we'll buy. Once pull back, we'll buy. So that is our trading rule. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please like and subscribe, and thanks for giving your valuable time.